What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video we're going to go over the 7 income streams. Which ones you might be doing, which ones you should be doing, and what exactly are the 7 income streams. And it all starts right now. All I do is ask that you smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So, earned income is the first one, and I feel like that's the most basic and the one that is used the most in our society, across the nation and across the world. Earned income is income from working a job. You are physically doing something to make money, right? So you work a 9-to-5 job, you get an hourly wage. If you work a salary-based job, that is based off of numbers, say 50 hours a week, and you get paid. That money is earned income. When you stop working or doing something active that makes money, then you will stop making money, period, right? That's earned income. And that is the most basic one. Now then you have profit income. And this one I really enjoy because we actually do this quite often and not even realize it. Income from buying and selling. Now, when you buy an item, say you bought some shoes and they were $100. Let's just ballpark it. Well, that shoe gets used, and then if it doesn't get used very much, then you are able to resell it. Now, say for instance, just a normal $100 non-name brand shoe, I'm not going to mention any brands. It depreciates, goes down 75 bucks. You're like, oh, well, I'm going to sell them. I don't use them anymore. I got another pair of shoes. You sell it for $75. You actually lose 25 bucks. Okay. Now, take it the other way. If you were to buy a book for a quarter or even $1 and were able to sell the same book for 10 bucks, then you would make a profit. You would actually make either $9.75 in profit, or you'd make $9 profit, right? Depending on the two scenarios. Profit income is amazing. It could be anything from buying and selling cars, to shoes, to books, to houses, to stocks, right? Because when you buy and sell a company for a stock, that will go up. You make a profit. If it goes down, you take a loss. So that is profit income at its basic form. And a lot of us do it and don't even realize it. Now, interest income is number 3, and that is income from lending money or getting interest back. So this is how, say, Capital Cards make money. They will lend you out a $1,000 credit limit, but then you are charged a 26% annual interest rate, right? That is how they make their money. If you were to do the same thing, say with Lending Club, there's other companies that if you lend your money out, even if you were to lend money to a friend, hey, I'm going to lend you $100, but you're going to have to pay me like $120 when on payday. Well, that is interest income, and that is interest income at its simplest form. You lend $100, you charge him 20% interest, he pays you back $120, you make a $20 profit. Now, interest income could be a great way to make some income, but not too many people actually do that unless you're like a loan company. Drop a comment below if you've ever loaned somebody money and asked for more back. Talk about it and leave a comment below. Okay, the next one is dividend income. Number 4, that is income from owning stocks. Now, this is probably one of my favorite ways to make an income thus far in my career. It's simple to do. You buy a stock that pays a dividend, and then they pay you a dividend. It could be anywhere from 1 cent to $1, $2, $3, $4. Realty income, ticker symbol O. I used to get around 22 cents, and then 25 cents, 30 cents, and I think they're like at 43 cents now every single month as you own a share of O Realty. So dividend income is a great way to earn some money. If you don't know much about dividend investing, I have a video you could watch below, or you could click this card up here. But dividend income is a great way to make money in your sleep. You don't have to work for it. You just buy some stocks of a company that pays a dividend, and they pay you back. This is the most popular one, I believe, for my channel because we talk about so many dividend paying companies and REITs and things like that. If you're not sure what a REIT is, it's a real estate investment trust, and I have a whole playlist you could check out there or down below of REITs, how you can make money off of them, and some of the top REITs to buy now in July 2022 and beyond. So rental income is number 5. Rental income obviously is income from renting a house. Now you own a property, you rent it out to a tenant, they pay the rent, say a flat, let's just say $500 as a baseline. I'm sure it's a lot higher where you live, upwards of $1,000 to $1,500 to $2,000 a month for rent. But let's just make a round number and just say $500 in rent. Say your mortgage is around $285 and some other expenses, so let's just call it a $350, and you are able to pocket $150 every month in rental income. Now, that is a great way to make some money as well if you own property like a house, or you could even rent out a car, you could rent out tools and equipment, heck, you could even rent out a boat, a room in your own home. I mean, there's so many things that you could rent out. So I would say rental income is probably extremely popular, but not a lot of people are doing it. And it would be a great way for you guys to get started in getting passive income by owning something rather than working for it. Number 6 is capital gains, and that is assets that increase in value over time. And you may not realize it, but if you have a collector's edition of some kind of name brand item, then you could probably have appreciated value on that item. Say you have a cartoon character, or you have some kind of memorabilia, maybe sports memorabilia, cards, comics, things of that sort, then you would actually get appreciation on it if it goes up in value, or capital gain. Capital gains could be also a home that goes up in value. Sneaker collectors, their shoes go up in value. Cars can go up in value if they're well taken care of and they're considered like a collector's, or they're not making them anymore. Capital gains is all around us. There are items that appreciate, and there are also items that depreciate every day. You couldn't imagine the things that actually go up in value. One of the biggest ones would be real estate. Real estate has been going up in value for a very long time. So capital gains are there. Royalty is the last one, and that's number 7. I think this is probably the coolest one because you get income from others using your idea. Now, royalties can be music or ebooks. It can be podcasts and all kinds of different things for royalties. You can get royalties anytime a product sells. If you're, say, maybe even affiliate marketer, you're getting a commission for the sell, but in a way that could be like a royalty, right? So income from others using your ideas. Now, if you have written a book, then that would be a royalty anytime they sold a copy of that book, course, any type of material like that. So right now, I actually have quite a lot of these 7 income streams. Royalty would be one through my ebooks. I also do affiliate marketing links. You'll see a few of them in the description below. Talk about a couple of like books that I like to read and to encourage you guys to read. If you can get them for free, that's awesome. If you already have it, read it again. Those books, if someone buys them, I'll get a royalty from that or a commission for affiliate. But at the same time, I've done capital gains. I continuously do that with various items I have that increase in value. Right now we're going through a real estate property that we're fixing up, so every dollar we put into it, we're getting X amount of dollars back out of it when we decide to sell or rent. Rental income, I've not officially got this marker yet, but I would say in the next 6 months to a year we will have a tenant after we get it all fixed up. And then dividend income is constant. You guys all know I love my dividend income producing stocks. Interest income, I don't know, I wouldn't say I've loaned people money and gotten more back. As far as lending money, no, I definitely have not done that one yet. And then profit income, yes, I've done by my second round vintage. eBay reseller that I set up, and my wife does the ins and outs of all of it. I showed her how to do it, and she's running that business for me. So that is really cool. And then the earned income would be income from working a job. I do have a salary-based job, and I work 50 plus hours a week in hopes that one day I'll be able to save up enough, invest enough, and be able to increase the other 6 income streams besides earned income, past my earned income wages, and then be able to quit my job. So I think that would be amazing eventually. We'll get there. I know I can, and you guys are going to be along for the journey while I do it, and I show you how, all the things I've learned and all my mistakes I've made. So if you guys like that, subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.